Well, good afternoon, everyone. Chief Meteorologist Marcus Walter here with an afternoon update. As we head throughout the rest of the afternoon and evening, we are expecting increasing clouds, and that will lead to rain and storm chances out there for Wednesday. Now, it looks like the greatest threat for any rain will be across our eastern parishes. So if you are in East Carroll, West Carroll Parish, down through Madison, Tensas, Concordia, Catahoula Parish, we're talking about a greater rain threat for you compared to everyone else. And then after that, we will start to dry out. Now, this is a look at 10 p.m. We start to see clouds building from the south and east across our region. And then we'll start to see some of those rain showers showing up by Wednesday morning. It won't be a total washout, but again, expect wet conditions in particular across our eastern parishes. As we head throughout the afternoon, we could see some of those showers intensify into thunderstorms. So we'll be tracking that. But then by the time we get to about 7 p.m., the bulk of the wet weather should be in Mississippi. We still will have some wet weather in place across some of our eastern parishes, but it will be exiting the region. That'll be due in part to a cold front that will be pushing in from the west later on Wednesday evening, and that'll help clear us out and lead to quieter weather across our region really for the rest of the week. But let's talk about how much rain could accumulate, because in areas that do pick up rain, we could potentially pick up more than an inch of rain. Isolated spots could have even higher amounts. It really depends on how intense the rain showers and thunderstorms are. But generally speaking, we're expecting about an inch or so of rain across a good portion of our viewing area. Now, at the moment, things are quiet, but we are tracking moisture that is now moving into parts of Mississippi and Alabama. This is associated with an area of low pressure and a trough. And this trough is what will help bring clouds to our region for tonight. It'll also bring a lot more moisture to our region, and it'll set the stage for rain showers to develop before a cold front that's currently making its way through the Rockies reaches us by the time we get to Wednesday. So this is really the system bringing the moisture to our region that will lead to the rain chances on Wednesday. But as we talk about conditions outside now, we are very comfortable. Temperatures sitting at 74 degrees. We have an east wind at about 11 miles per hour, so you'll notice the wind. But outside of that, we have very enjoyable weather in place. Temperatures anywhere from the low 70s across southern Arkansas, mid 70s here in the arc limits, again, right here in Monroe. And then farther south, we're looking at upper 70s. But even across some of our eastern parishes, we've seen temperatures reach 80 degrees or at least reach into the upper 70s for today. We're also tracking what's happening in the tropics. This is a look at the Western Caribbean. We have an area of interest that now has a 90% chance of formation over the next several days. And we'll have to watch and see what happens. As of now, this system is not forecast, or this area of interest that will likely lead to a system. That system is not forecast to impact Louisiana or the arc limits, but it is forecast to drift north. And so we'll have to keep an eye on it just to see if any forecasts change over time. But as we talk about the forecast for tonight, we're looking at temperatures down to about 62 degrees with increasing clouds. It'll be a warmer evening compared to last night. And then tomorrow, we're expecting those isolated showers, those rain showers to impact our eastern parishes. And even with the wet weather out there, we'll still be a few degrees above average with the temperatures in the mid 70s. We'll tell you more tonight at 5 p.m. Make sure to tune in.